just picked this up. So now I'm gonna unbox this and see. So this is what I got so far.
Okay, finally. This is the mouse. Yeah, this is the mouse on the back. This one long better by this. This one bent, right, and the bent, manual, and screws, hardware, and the microwave is there. That's it. We go around slowly.
I already removed the old fan and temporarily cover the vent with that.
So now first I have to shut the power off and take this thing out and install outlets for the microwave. Okay, now I'm gonna try to use the tools to remove all of this and this hood out. So I just took out one nail right here, and we're gonna take this one out. Same with the other side. And I'm trying to prying everything I can. It start coming loose, as you can see. I also use the knives to cut this cock out, and I will try to work it out by prying slowly. Push it out, pull it out. I'm gonna pull this thing out now. Okay, as I finish, take the whole thing out. So now I'm gonna try to open this fan and flip it up so it can flow to my roof. So I remove both. Make sure you have something to hold the screw, otherwise it's gonna maybe fall in there. And right now I'm gonna try to disconnect this cable. Just flip the fan and connect this, flap this up, cut open this thing, and install this thing on. And I think that's it. Oh, don't forget to put the screw back on here. So remove before using. All you have to do is pull this a little bit and lift this up. Same thing over here. And this wall, I only found one stud right here, and I can drill one here and find a stud right here, and the rest I don't see any studs. So I might use this thing at the both end right here to hold, and this for the stud right here. Okay, now I'm gonna drill a bigger hole to be able to push this thing over there. Two sides, one side, and on the right side too. Okay, I'm gonna use this biggest drill I have, 3/8, to drill and see if I can push this thing over. So you have to pull and twist at the same time in order to get this thing tight. Same over here, level, and now I'm gonna put the screw with the stud right here. Put this, go to the stud. Now I'm gonna tie this to a little, really hard. Okay, for the top I use 2x4. I drew 2 holes to hook with the microwave below, and I just connect here, screw it, and put a light like that for now. Let's see, then I put microwave in, see any problem.
Oh, it's not here.
I had to have another person to help me hook this up, and I screw these two and it's able to stay.
Now all I have to do is connect the wire to this thing. Okay, I finished connect this outlet, and I have this guy to check if I wire is right, and it's too yellow, mean I was correct. So now I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, I'm on, and now let's test the microwave fan. Looking good. Turn off the fan. Shut. And let's see the lights. Lights on. Dim. Light off. Alright, let's set the temp, and I'm gonna try to vent this to my roof. Okay, I just finished vent this to my roof, and I use the foil tap to tap around to secure it, and also tap around this area so no air escape. And I'm gonna put everything inside, and I will use a piece of drywall to cover this. Now I'm gonna hang some decoration here. Alright guys, that's it for this project.